how to buy mine BTC token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available right now on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will find a referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, go and open your account on MEXC to be able to buy this token. Now go back to the next page, and from this page, or from this post, sorry, copy the token symbol. It's called mine BTC. Now copy it. So here on the search, just paste it here. So wait a few seconds to load this page. So after you find this pair, just click on it. Now as you can see, this is the page to be able to buy this token. So after you click on buy here, select the limit of the market is the same. So after you select the limit, just type here how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT you have on your account to be able to buy this token. After click on buy mine BTC. So if you select the market, drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. After that, click on buy mine BTC. So this is how to buy mine BTC token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.